Jackson, where are we going? The what? Grandpa Lodge. Great Wolf Lodge. Hey everyone, thanks for joining us again. Today we're gonna go through Great Wolf Lodge. This is partly a vlog in the beginning, and then at the end we'll kind of do a walking tour. During our walking tour, I will also give you 10 tips to make the most out of your trip to Great Wolf Lodge. That's cool that this rest area has yeah, that thing is soaking wet, dude. I'm sorry, bud.
Hello.
He's so close. What in the heck is that? I think we're just stretching our legs.
Yeah.
Close your eyes and make a wish.
Make a wish. Close your eyes and make a wish.
No? Okay. It's okay. Okay. Now, can you step on these?
I just feel like
Jack, you gotta step on the thing.
Step on that.
No, you couldn't because you were short. Now you're not short. No, you didn't drown. Mommy and Daddy had to hold you. We would say, uh-oh, Jackson. Hold my hand, hold my hand, hold my hand. Because I don't want you to drown.
Let's go have some Mexican. Where did the boy go? Come on, boy.
Come on, boy.
Ah.
You're a weirdo.
I would definitely recommend this restaurant. The chips weren't the greatest, but the food was 100% on point. Tip number 1, get there at 1 p.m. the day of check-in. You can get your wristbands and wait on your room, and while you're waiting, you can play in the water park. Tip number 2, bring your water shoes. Some of these slides and areas out in the water park are quite slippery. I strongly recommend them. Tip number 3, bring more than one swimsuit. Tip number 4, bring your own snacks. The cost of snacks inside the gift shop is quite high. Tip number 5, use the swimsuit dryer. While it won't get it 100% dry, it will definitely get a lot of the water out. Tip 6, definitely get the activity pass. We actually attempted to pay this individually on this trip, and I think we would have saved money by doing the activity pass. Tip number 6, there's free activities throughout the day and night. Definitely do them. Tip number 8, use the key card link for your credit card and the wristband. You can have them shut the kids off so they don't charge everything. Number 9, definitely download the app to order food and the map and everything. It was a big help. Number 10, and probably the most important, explore Williamsburg. There is so much to do. You have Busch Gardens, there's hundreds of restaurants. I love Great Wolf Lodge, but it can get boring pretty quick. There's a lot to do. Definitely go out and explore. What are you gonna get?
Nothing.
Nothing? You don't want a quesadilla?
My belly hurts.
No, it's because you have bubble gums. Where are we going?
Mom's house.
Your mom?
Lodge.
Yeah, that's what.
Jackson, where are we going? The what? Grandpa Lodge. Great Wolf Lodge. Wow. I'm probably gonna have to edit that out. That was better than a fart.